to the Garrett and Cameron Show. Today we're filming CXX Train. All reviews and all your name. Subscribe to this channel so we can hit 1 million subscribers. One whole day. Do it now. If the bell thing is red, make it and turn it red.
So the subscribe button is red, click it and make it gray. Because that's the way to be a fan of the Garrett and Cameron Show team. And you might just get a little surprise coming.
When we reach enough to get our first play button, we might start making our own store.
And we might start making our giveaways. We might make some giveaways up to our fans. Daddy, here's something I really want to start. I think we should start a giveaway to all of our fans to subscribe to our channel.
We can make our own.
So I think we should buy stuff and give it away to our fans, and you guys can. We can make our store where people can just go to our store and buy all our stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, just find it on our store. You're gonna be able to get a whole bunch of stuff. Our store. We're gonna make a store.